LEGO Nation, get your phone books ready because today's build is a telephone booth. Let's begin by placing the 2x2 tile with edge studs on top of the 1x2x2 brick. Then place the 1x2 brick on top, followed by the 1x2 open O-clip brick. Place the 1x2 30-degree slope on top and finish that off by snapping the blue telephone onto the 1x2 open O-clip. Grab the 6x6 blue plate and place our build in the middle of a second row of the plate. Take a door frame, making sure that the groove is facing the outer position, and snap that in the middle of an outer row of the 6x6 plate. Follow that same process with the remaining 3 door frames. Step 2 is quick. Grab a 1x1x5 brick and place a 1x1 brick on the bottom and repeat that 3 additional times. Use my tip here by taking a couple larger bricks you may have laying around and squeeze your builds in between to square up the attached pieces. This makes it a little bit easier and faster than attempting to straighten with your fingers. Moving on to step 3, take the 6x6 plate and place the 4x4 plate right in the middle. Then line up each of the 1x4 tiles with the edge of the 4x4 plate. Take the 2 1x4 blue bricks and place each on opposite sides of one another onto the 4x4 plate. Place the 1x2 bricks onto the 4x4 plate to form a blue square. Now take a 1x1 plate and attach it to the bottom of a 1x1 brick. And repeat that process 3 additional times. Again, taking our squaring tool and squaring all of our pieces together. Finally, place each of those pieces in the 4 corners of our build. Let's go ahead and construct the roof of our phone booth in step 4. Take the 4x6 plate and place that in the middle of the 6x6 plate. Line the left edge with 3 of the 2x2 curved slopes. And let's repeat that for the right side. Finish the center of the roof with the 3 2x2 tiles. In step 5, take the 1x1 round stud and attach it to the glass door handle. Bring in all of our previous builds and let's finish up the phone booth, first completing the corners of the door frames. Then take our build from step 3 and place that on top. If necessary, slide your fingers through the door frames to assist with the attachment. Attach the roof on top with the curved sides facing the left and right sides of the phone booth. And last but not least, let's attach our door and our side and back windows. And there's a nice touch, Superman exiting the phone booth. I hope you enjoyed today's build. Have a super day, and I'll see you next time.